In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set ticket priorities in Zendesk. Setting the right priority on a support ticket is essential for managing your workload and making sure customers get help in the right order. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the priority setting in Zendesk, what each priority level means, and how to save your changes properly so your team can act on them. First, log into your Zendesk support dashboard using your usual credentials. Once you're in, go ahead and open any ticket you want to work on. This can be a new ticket that just came in or an existing one that needs to be updated. With the ticket open, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar is where Zendesk shows key ticket properties like status, assignee, and requested details. In this area, you'll find a field labeled priority. This is the setting that controls how urgent the ticket is considered in your support queue. Click on the priority field to open the drop-down menu. You'll see 4 options you can choose from: low, normal, high, and urgent. Select low for minor issues that don't require immediate attention. These are typically general inquiries, product questions, or requests where the customer is not blocked from using your service. Low priority helps you acknowledge the ticket without pushing it ahead of more time-sensitive problems. Choose normal for standard support requests. This will be the most common option for everyday customer questions and routine issues. Normal priority signals that the ticket should be handled in a regular response time, without special escalation, but still in a timely manner. Pick high if the issue is significantly affecting how the customer uses your product or service. This might include bugs, partial outages, or workflows that are blocked but not completely critical. High priority tells your team that this needs to be addressed sooner than regular tickets to prevent frustration or operational impact. Finally, use urgent for critical issues that require immediate attention. These are situations like full system outages, major payment failures, or anything that stops customers from using the service altogether. Marking a ticket as urgent helps your team spot it quickly and respond as fast as possible. Once you've selected the appropriate priority level, move to the bottom right corner of the ticket page. Click the Submit button to save your changes. This step is important. If you navigate away without submitting, the priority update won't be recorded, and that's it. You've successfully set the ticket priority in Zendesk, helping your support team focus on what matters most.